Okay, now that I have my chart, you have to have this graph in the problems that you are going to do, all on your practice, your homework, and your test. You always need to have this graph with every single thing here. I did not include anything that could be left out. Everything needs to be shown here. This is where all of your work is going to come from, including the percentages. You need those. So now I'm set up to answer these questions. I want to find the percentage, estimate the percentage of 1-year-old girls that weigh less than 8.4 kilograms. First things first, in order to know that you did this correctly, the number that I'm asking you for, 8.4, should match a number on your chart. If I was asking you for 8.4 and that was not a number on your chart, something went wrong. So you would need to double check your work. So that's a good way to check if you're on the right path or not. But I want to know what percent of people are less than 8.4%. Or what percent are way less than 8.4 kilograms. Well, this is the threshold for 8.4. So anyone in this direction weighs less than 8.4 kilograms. So all of these people weigh less than 8.4 kilograms. Not just 13.5%, because only 13.5% of the population weighs between 7.3 and 8.4, but all three of these. So I'm going to go ahead and add them together. 0.15% plus 2.35% plus 13.5%. If you pause this and put this in your calculator, you will get a total of 16%. So 16% of the population of 1-year-old girls that were surveyed weighed less than 8.4 kilograms. Okay, so I add those together. I want to see your equation. I want to see this equation. That's how you show your work for those problems. Alrighty, now let's do the next one. What percent are between 7.3 and 11.7? Well, here's 7.3, here's 11.7, and their thresholds start here. Between is above 7.3 and below 11.7. So it's all of these here, including these. So I can add those percentages up. I'm going to add 13.5% plus 34% plus 34% plus 13.5%. And that will give me a total of 95%. 95%. Alrighty. And then lastly, I am now going to answer. See how quick this is once I have all of my, once I have everything set up. Now I want to find the percent that is between, that is more than 12.8 kilograms. So here's 12.8. The threshold is here, so more is just everyone in this direction. And there's nothing to add, only 0.15% of the population is above 3 standard deviations above the mean, which is above 12.8 kilograms. Okay, so if you have questions on this one, just pause it and let me know. But let's do one more example. Let's read. The scores on the Algebra 2 final are approximately normally distributed with a mean of 150 and a standard deviation of 15. Sketch a normal curve showing scores 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations above the mean, from the mean. So that just means draw your graph. So I can't answer these questions without my chart, without my normal distribution. So I have a line going across right here, and I've got my hill, my bell curve, and I've got that line going down the middle, and that line going down the middle is where I put my mean. So my mean here is 150, a mean of 150, 150. And then remember, I draw 3 lines on each side. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then I'm going to apply my standard deviations. And please watch the next video for how I do that.